This is day 24 of teaching you something new about electronics every day until you become a master.
In our circuit, we have an input and an output. As we don't need our converter to be isolated, we can connect the negative wires of the input and output together. In this configuration, there are three ways we can connect our inductor. We can connect it across the input or across the output, but we can also connect it between the input and output. Let's now consider how we can build a converter. We need to initially connect our inductor between the input and output. During this stage, the inductor will charge up with current as it tries to stop the current rising. During this stage, the voltage will rise following the leading edge of a sinusoidal curve. Once the inductor charges up, we can disconnect it from the input and connect it to the output. This way, the inductor tries to maintain that current and forces voltage from the negative to the positive. During this stage, the current across the inductor decreases, as does the voltage, which this time follows the falling edge of a sinusoidal waveform. If we repeat this process over and over again very quickly, you can see how we can quite easily get a lower voltage at the output. As long as we don't let the current hit zero, the average voltage will follow a more or less sinusoidal waveform with an average voltage given by the formula Vout equals Vin times time on divided by time off, where time on is the time the inductor is connected to the input and time off is the time the inductor is disconnected from the input. Now,